back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change or sync time in Windows 11. For this, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open the Windows 11 settings app and then click on this one time and language option. Then click on this one time and date and time. Then if you want to set the time automatically, enable this one toggle switch. It will automatically sync your clock from the current time zone. In case you want to set the time manually, just turn off this one toggle switch that says set time automatically. Then click on this one option, set the time and date and time manually. Click on this one change button, set your date and time according to your needs. Then click on this one change button. This will immediately sync or change time on your Windows 11 taskbar clock. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you have already subscribed it and you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.